Java because
Okay.
in a market so many languages are there. Right?
Okay.
Python is there.
Mm.
C Sharp is also there. Why
Mhm.
you go through? Why you take the Java? They
Okay.
ask first question only.
Okay.
Means we have to explain what are the features of Java
Okay. Just
and
curious, Vinay, just curious to know your answers. Like, how did you respond to that question, Vinay?
yeah, Java is a platform independent language
Mhm.
and because of JVM it's an
Okay, platform independent, you mentioned.
platform independent. Yeah,
Okay, and the demand in the market, enterprise
yeah, yeah,
level development. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
SQL, you mentioned you didn't get any question. Any DBMS, any related, any cloud related questions, anything certifications, Vinay?
No, no, no. I'm not got any questions from DBMS also.
Okay. So, any academic related project question, Vinay? Your final year project questions, anything?
No, in a CV, what I mentioned means I am not mentioned any academic
That's it. Mm-hmm.
projects because I am not work on those things because I made a personal project, okay,
Okay,
on payment
good
integration
thing.
system.
Mm-hmm. It's a good thing, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I made a personal project about payment integration system about based on Spring Boot project.
Oh, then it says everything. Okay.
Yeah, that's what a main thing I mentioned in the CV. So
Mm.
they focused on that only.
Spring Boot.
What I did in that project, they told us to explain what this project do,
Mm.
what
Okay.
are the main goals of this project,
Okay.
and explain some annotations. What are the annotations are coming in that
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Spring Boot, right? So
Spring Boot. Okay.
mm,
So that's it. No, like no Apache server related questions. Nothing. Just
no, 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 no,
basic
no.
level questions. Mm.
No, no, no.
Okay.
I explained about the microservices,
Microservices. Nice.
something
Mm-hmm.
microservices and
Um,
APIs, those
Anything
things
like
like
this, Vinay? Like, I mean, obviously you are joined it as a fresher. There won't be much deeper questions asked to you. But
yeah,
anything
yeah.
situation-based questions, Vinay, like if you are a team lead, like how you will be
Yeah.
dealing with your team members if so and so happen, like any such kind of questions, situation-based questions, Vinay?
No, no, no. I'm not
No.
got any situation based questions also.
All right, super. So before jumping to our HR, so next was HR.
Yeah.
How was it?
Yeah.
Okay. So when did you receive the technical round results, Vinay?
After that, I have a meeting at afternoon. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Afternoon. I got a mail by tomorrow morning also.
Okay, next day was the HR round.
Yeah, next day. I got
Okay,
update from
so
them. You cleared that technical round. You got selected for HR round.
mhm.
After 1 week, I got uh, HR round mail.
Okay, invite. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So, how many panelists were there? Is it one guy in the call? Like
Hey,
how
only
many?
one guy, one guy,
One guy.
one guy.
And your video was on, obviously.
Yeah, one thing what if you guys are going through this video
Huh?
means
Okay,
don't copy anything from the chat GPT. Don't use the AI tools
okay.
because they monitoring your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
If you are be able to confident to answer what you answer.
That's what. Agree.
Yeah.
So then. So before jumping to HR round, what was the eligibility criteria for this profile, Vinay? Like, what has to be the CGPA in your degree? Any such kind
Yeah.
of yeah,
CGPA means it's in seven, above seven.
above 7.
I don't know in a next batch what they do,
Mm-hmm.
but for me it's in maybe seven.
And with no active backlogs. Correct.
No, no, yeah, no active backlog and 24, 25 batch out they take for my batch.
All right. And with no backlog history,
What?
I mean, if I have a backlog in my first sem and I cleared in the second sem, any such kind of history should not
No,